Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel.
Gotta be honest, gotta be real.
So today I'm very excited because it's my Friday. Fridays are usually my filming day and I ordered the iPad Air M3 yesterday and Apple said that they're gonna be delivering it through express delivery by FedEx. So excited to unbox it today, but I just got an email that I'm not getting it today. Instead, it will be delivered on Monday. It sucks, but it's fine. So since we're done with the peony, we're gonna jump into the second case on the Spring 2025 release by Apple for the Apple Silicone cases. This case is very deceiving online. It's a very, very unique color that you will not see probably in your house, not unless you are a Periwinkle person. You got the hint. Today we're going to be reviewing the Apple Silicone case in Periwinkle. Periwinkle, what is it? We'll find out today. So if you
'Cause I can't deny it, the way that you feel.
Periwinkle.
I tried to be single, but that didn't last. When I met you, I just knew there was no looking back. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel.
So here is the Periwinkle Apple Silicone case. Now this case, it's not close to this pillow right here. Not quite. I just got a message here or a comment according to Lorraine Nicole E. I'd love to see a Periwinkle review, please. Here you go. I'm making this video for you. Periwinkle. Here it is. It is not your traditional blue color. It's not your traditional purple or lavender color. This is a very unique color. That's my wallpaper for now. Years ago that we went hiking in the snow and you can actually make it as your wallpaper if it is live. This color is very deceiving. Deceiving in person, meaning looks like blue, probably if your eyes are dominant with blue. But if your eyes is dominant with purple, I think also you're gonna see purple.
She said yes, same, and she came through. When it pours and it rains, it was love was mine too. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel.
Why do I keep getting emails here, man? While I'm filming. For example, they took a picture. The lighting was right on the left side. It's either on the right, on the left. The light was reflected on the case when they took the picture. There you go. I got that picture online. It looks really like purpley, but not as purpley as or lavendery as the AirPods Max ear cushions. This one, I will also put it in the video right here. They are not actually the same because the air cushions is lighter. Periwinkle actually is mixed with blue and purple. According to our camera here, it looks like it's blue, really dark apple right there. The ring light reflecting on this case, that's why it looks blue. On some angles in person, it looks like it's purple. Oh, it looks so pretty. My fancy camera protector looks so pretty. If you like blue, you will like this case. And if you like purple, you also will like this case. Two different kinds of color mixed together. It says online that Periwinkle is a lavender blue or a light shade of purple. It is also a light purplish blue color. Light purplish blue color. So again, there is two colors in it, blue and purple. Closer to blue than purple and is a shade within the indigo family. sitting between blue and violet on the color wheel. It's considered as a light, cool tone, and the scientific name is vinca. If you are thinking about getting the ultramarine, it was really attractive to me at first, but I'm like, blue, no, I'm gonna wait. And then they released the Periwinkle, which has a blue in it and a purple. Purple is also a color that I like. When you're like laying it on the surface, when you're not really close to the case, you will see a purple color. So that's the fun thing about this case. White iPhone, definitely it will show a lot of purple. If you have the desert titanium like mine, it will show two colors, but again online it look purple. Actually with desert titanium, it looks kind of like has blue in it. With black, definitely will show a little bit of blue too. At the same time, purple. So again, this case is very deceiving. This is the case that's giving me a hard time to describe how it looks like in person. It is a color that I would definitely wear. It's very pretty. Here on AI overview, Periwinkle is a pale violet blue color, often described as a pastel blue with a hint of purple. So it is pastel and is named after the flower of the same name, Vinca minor. Hex code number C, 4 C's and 2 F's. RGB, 80% red, 80% green, and 100% blue, guys. Periwinkle is also sometimes referred to as lavender blue or light blue violet. Periwinkle represents serenity, calmness, winter, and ice. Looking at it, it's very calm. I agree. It can also symbolize blossoming friendships, womanhood, sentimental memories, and everlasting love. Usage. Periwinkle is used in various contexts, including fashion, interior design, and art. The Pantone color of the year 2022, Pantone chose a shade of Periwinkle, Very Peri, as their color of the year for 2022. Shade of blue and shade of purple. If you like two colors, you're good. Get this case. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and kind of learned something from this case. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.